Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace battery in Ford Transit step by step. Park the van on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first. Remove battery cover, loosen hold-down clamp, and lift battery straight up using gloves and an assistant if needed. Clean terminals and tray, apply anti-corrosion grease, install new battery, tighten clamps, reconnect negative last, and test electrical systems before closing. Let me walk you through the tools and safety steps before we start. Gather gloves, safety glasses, a 10 mm socket, a wrench, and a battery carrier strap. Disconnect electrical accessories and set alarm codes if needed. Label battery cables for correct reconnection. Wear eye protection and avoid sparks near the battery. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep children and pets away. Double-check polarity before reconnecting to avoid damage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more guides. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's great for workshops or roadside repairs and makes a handy gift for drivers. We post practical tips every week. Thanks for watching and supporting us. Now let's get back to the video. Now we will remove the old battery and install the new one step by step with clear tips. First, loosen the negative cable, then the positive, and remove the hold-down clamp carefully. Lift the battery straight up and set it aside. Clean the tray and terminals with a brush and baking soda solution. Place the new battery in, secure the clamp, reconnect positive first then negative, and start the engine to confirm proper charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.